Alright, so today what we're doing is changing out a water heater. And here goes Oscar Gonzalez going to explain to us what we're going to do.
As you can see, first you got to remove the old water heater out. Once you set your new water heater in, get you some new supply lines. Alright, you tie into the existing valves, get you some flex hose that'll flex good enough to where you can work it. You're going to tie them in. As you can see, this is an electric water heater. Both gas and electric. Make sure you always fill them up with water before you turn any power onto it. So of course you got to get your supply lines. Make sure they're tight so they don't leak. And like I always say, it's not as easy as it looks. We just make it look easy because we're good at it. Practice makes perfect. Once again, make sure that it is tight, both on the water heater and on the valve. Clean up any excess pipe dope. Make sure your work looks clean. And at that point, you can start filling up your water heater. While it's filling up, then you can work on connecting your TMP, your temperature and pressure relief valve, and your pan drain line. And once it's full, you can hook up the power to it. The rest, I'm going to leave it up to y'all so y'all can call Loyalty Plumbing when y'all need a new water heater. Thank you for choosing Loyalty Plumbing.